So in this video I'm going to show you how to code out the check brake pad wear. Now this is only for information purposes. I would not recommend you coding that out. Now, your brake pads, when you replace them, they do have the metal tab, the metal indicator that once the brake pads wear out, then you know your brakes start to make excessive noise once they hit that metal indicator or wear indicator that's actually on the pad. But this is the little sensor that goes two wires that go to, sometimes one, that go to the brake pad, and then when your brake pads wear, then you get this warning on the instrument cluster. This is again for information purposes. We will not recommend changing this, but if you need to for any reason, I'm going to show you how to do that. So on the YOUCANIC scanner, you want to go to diagnostic, then you select your make, then do smart VIN. At this point you won't have ignition on because it won't pick your VIN number if you don't. Press yes. This goes to the next screen. It'll take a second. Go to control modules, go to body, go to front signal acquisition model, go to adjustments, go to configuration, go to manual settings, go to brake pad wear sensor, press OK. So here it says right rear brake lining wear sensor. It says yeah, means yes. It's coded as present, so we want to change that. Let's say change it to name, meaning no. Press OK, type right, press right there. Vehicle data were successfully written. So if you restart the car now, that error message is not going to be there anymore. So if you go here, we don't have a brake pad wear sensor warning anymore. Let me go to warning messages. I have an issue with headlights, but not with low tire. Active headlights in op. Aux battery malfunction, but there's no more message for brake pad wear. So that's how you can change it. Again, this is for information purposes. We would not recommend changing this setting. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.